Okay, so position nila, yan yung inyong legs, di ba? Maintain your back, straightening your back, and your power lift.
Ready to lift?
Ready.
Mic up. 3, 2, 1, lift.
Yan. So, naiakit na nila sa height na gusto nila. So, mag-order ngayon si Sir Gab kung saan sila harap.
Alright. Other sides. Ready to turn and center face.
Ready.
Good part. Take the weight.
Yan. So, i-prepare niyo yung inyong mga tuhod para ma-secure niyo yung spine board. Okay?
Other sides. Ready to turn.
Ready.
Mic out. 3, 2, 1, turn.
Ayan. So, pantay pa rin kung saan nakahawak yung kamay ng kabila, kaharap niya yung kamay nung kabali niya sa side.
Good part. Turning. Take my weight. Turning.
Ayan. So, nakaharap na sila sa isang direction. Yeah? So, from command your walk. Okay, pag mag-walk na kayo, maglalakad, so paano tayo magmarcha? Pasulong na. Ano mo na? Left. Okay. Lahat nung front, your back, and yung nasa right, kaliwa. Kaya yung nasa left, yun yung kanan. Dahil yun yung mas malapit sa patient. Okay?
Team, ready to walk. First.
Ready.
Mic out. 3, 2, 1, point.
Okay, yan. Pag ano nila, napunta na sila sa isang sa area na gusto nila, change position muna ulit bago nila i-down yung patient. Okay, hindi.
Part. Turning. Take my weight.
I take your weight.
Other sides. Ready to turn.
Ready.
Mic out. 3, 2, 1, turn.
Okay, so balik sila sa kanilang power grip. Diba? So kung paano nila inangat kanina, ganun din yung pababa.
Team, ready to move down to the patient.
Ready.
Mic out. 3, 2, 1. Down, easy.
Okay, clear? So kung paano nila inangat kanina, using their legs, ganun din yung pagbaba. Okay? So,
Team, power to push down. Team, ready to lift?
Ready.
Mic out. 3, 2, 1, lift. Bala na full part. Ready to turn. Put center face.
Ready.
On 3, 2, 1, turn. Bala na yung part. Ready to turn. Mic out. 3, 2, 1, turn.
Ayan. So kung saan nakahawak yung body mo, kaharap ng body, yung handle na katapat nun, doon ka rin nahawak. Okay? So pag walk, ganyan pa rin your inner foot kung ano yung malapit sa patient. Okay?
Team, ready to walk. Inner foot first.
Ready.
Mic out. 3, 2, 1, walk. Walk. Bala na full part. Ready to turn.
Ready.
Patient center face. On my count. 3, 2, 1. Turn. Bala na that part. Ready to turn.
Ready.
On my count. 3, 2, 1. Turn.
So kung paano nila inangat, di ba, ganyan nila ibababa. Huwag nyo nang ginagano na mamaya, huwag nyo nang i-flex yung mga muscle niyo mamaya. Dahil pag matagal niyong buhat yun, nakaganyan kayo, maangalay. Okay?
Team, ready to put on the patient.
Ready.
Again. Team, ready to put on the patient.
Ready.
Again. Team, ready to put on the patient.
Ready.
Ayan. So, merong hindi sumasagot. Di ba? Tanong mo muna kung prepared siya. Dahil baka hindi nga siya prepared, ginaw niyo agad, ma-disalign yung weight distribution ng sa patient mo.
Team, Ready to put down the patient.
Ready.
On my count. 3, 2, 1. Down. Easy.
Okay, yan. So, question. Wala? Wala akong question. Wala pang question?
My count. 3, 2, 1. Pull.